Good morning, everyone. We always do a cold start for you guys in our videos. And here's one with this 991.2 GT3RS. Valvetronic. It's actually pretty quiet when the valves are closed. Okay, let's go, guys. Today guys, I have a 2019 Porsche GT3RS. I'll show you guys all the mods that I did to this car. Let's check it out. All the aftermarket parts on this car are all from Techart, Germany. I'm the exclusive distributor of Techart Germany parts here in the Philippines, and I'll show you guys some of their products, starting with the front spoiler, guys. So this is a full carbon fiber front spoiler from Techart. All the parts of this car, the GT3RS and the GT2RS, are all plastic, guys. Can you believe a supercar from Porsche having plastic parts and not carbon fiber parts? They never put carbon fiber products. Not all, like the YSAC package have carbon fiber parts, but this is not a non-YSAC package. That's why we installed all these carbon fiber bits and pieces from Techart. So this is from Techart, this is from Techart. My favorite part from Techart Germany is this hood, guys. It looks OEM, but it's not. The lines are better. It looks more meaner. Well, I don't know if I'm gonna pronounce it correctly, but it's called NACA ducts, N-A-C-A ducts. So these are carbon fiber as well from Techart. These are real Porsche emblems. The GT3RS and the GT2RS are sporting the sticker type emblems. It looks okay, and Porsche is saying that it saves weight. I mean, how many grams is that? But personally, I find this way better looking. So the louver are from Techart as well, finished in carbon fiber. I always say, guys, my favorite part and favorite mod on the car are the wheels. So this is from AL13 from USA. I'm their exclusive distributor here in the Philippines. This is Forge centers, having a classic 5-spoke design wheel with the Dimag carbon fiber barrel, guys. Very durable and lightweight. It matches the carbon fiber parts of the car. These are all titanium but finished in gloss black. This is a triple tint brushed finish. There's lightweight pockets on the spokes. Also, the backside of this has lightweight pockets. So if you think that this design is heavy, it's not. This is a Porsche with the normal steel brakes. Red meaning steel brake. The tires are Michelin Pilot Sport Cup 2 tires, measuring 265/35/20. For a GT3RS, I personally like meaty tires. It finished the look of the car. It looks weird if you run low-profile tires. The tread pattern is so good. This is the best tires that you can buy from Michelin. Very grippy, and the top-performing tires from them. This is a carbon fiber side mirror from Techart. Techart side skirts, carbon fiber. The fit and finish and the quality of Techart products are one of the best. Also, this GT3RS decal is stock. Then this is a air vent carbon fiber from Techart. They just added these lines and this design. This measures 325/30/21. So the fronts are 20-inch, the rears are 21-inch. We adjusted the suspension of this to ride this low, guys. You normally don't see this on a GT3 RS, but we've installed a rear roof spoiler, carbon fiber, of course, from Techart. This rear wing is from Techart as well. So all exposed carbon fiber. The rear diffuser, finished in carbon fiber. This rear apron shaft is from Techart as well, finished in carbon fiber. Basically, all the plastic parts we've changed to carbon fiber. This rear diffuser is from Techart as well. This is the logo of IPEs, finished in carbon fiber. This is the most modified 991.2 GT3 RS in the country with all the carbon fiber bits and pieces, and I'm super happy to feature it on our channel. Guys, we're now inside the 991.2 GT3 RS. This is an updated model, plus the 0.2. Things that I love about the GT3 RS. This steering wheel is perfectly sized, and I like it's Alcantara. I like the mix of leather and Alcantara on the side panels, the dashboards, and the carbon panels. The gauge are red. The quality of a Porsche is second to none. It's one of the best that you can buy. Everything's easy to drive. It looks intimidating, but it really is a very, very easy car to drive. If you scroll on my Instagram feed and if you scroll on our Facebook page, you'll see a lot of GT3 RS. So this car has a 4-liter flat 6 engine. We're now in PDK Sport, which is the fastest shifting possible for this car, and it's quite fast, guys. The lift system of this is amazing, guys. It's so fast, like maybe 5 seconds, 6 seconds, then it goes down so super fast too. It's actually not super stiff when you drive it around, but definitely stiffer than previous generation 0.1. Can I say I love the engine? Because it goes all the way to 9,000 RPM. For you to have fun with the GT3 RS, you really have to rev out the engine till 9,000 RPM. It's crazy, but I mean, yeah, the 7,000 to 9,000 RPM is no words, man. It's first gear. Yeah. See? Wait, let me drive faster. Yeah. The low RPM range, it sounds better because we've installed the Venturi intake, carbon fiber intake. One more. It's a screamer, guys. Well, it's a precise track machine, but it really gives you a smile to your face when you drive the car. I can point this car anywhere I want to, and the change of lanes and the change of direction is so fast. GT3 RS are known for its handling, and I can attest to that. For balance, everything's awesome. Let's do some more. One more pull. Game. Game. Yeah. So the pickup of this car is pretty good. I've installed a lot of Venturi intake system on a GT3 RS. It's a popular mod because it gives you low-end power. A must mod for the GT3 RS is exhaust. Because well, this comes equipped with a titanium system. We've changed to a better and more exciting sounding exhaust. All the local units of the GT3 RS here came with the steel brakes. So a popular mod for that car is them ordering ceramic brakes from us. The ceramic brakes cost 1.2 million. But
That's a car.
yeah, that's a car, but it works. To conclude, everything's better when it comes to the 0.2 version. That's all I can say. The 991.1 RS is hella good already. I can't even say anything bad about it, especially now that they improved everything with the 0.2 version. So that's it for today's episode. Comment in the comments section below. Like, subscribe, share, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Goodbye.